Good morning, grade threes. So today we are going to do our spelling a little bit different. I am going to give you the definition and I'm going to give you a picture to match the definition. And then I'd like you to guess what your spelling word could be. The spelling word will then come up after you've guessed it. Alright, the first one. A large bird, completely or mostly black, with a rough, unpleasant call. What do you think this could be? Yes, it was a crow. Right, the next one. To cut grass using a machine or tool with a special blade. What do you call this? Mow is the correct answer, all right? And mow can also be a verb because you are doing something. Right, the next one. To have information in your mind because you have learned it or been told it. What is this word? And the correct answer is no. And it's not spelled N-O, it's spelled K-N-O with a silent K. Don't forget that. All right, the next one. Small soft white pieces, also called flakes, of frozen water that fall from the sky in cold weather. What do we call this? Okay, the word was snow. Right, next one. To let somebody see something. All right. The present tense of this word is show. What is the past tense of this word? All right, and the word is shown. Okay, it's the past tense of show. Right, the next one. To send out air from the mouth. If you look at this, what this little girl is doing in the picture, what do you think the word is? Okay, and your answer is blow. The girl blows the bubbles. All right, the next one. The joint between the upper and lower parts of the arm where it bends in the middle. What do we call this? All right, the answer is elbow. Okay, the next one. Not moving quickly or taking a long time. It's the antonym, which means the opposite of not fast. What word is this? And the antonym of fast is slow. All right, next one. At a lower level, position or place. I'll give you a clue. A similar word is beneath. What word could this be? Okay, the answer is below. All right, the soil is below the grass if you look in that picture. All right, the next one. A deep round dish with a wide open top used especially for holding food or liquid. What do we call this? All right, the answer is a bowl. Right, next one. To take and use something that belongs to somebody else and then you return it to them at a later time. What is this word? It's a little bit tricky, so think about it carefully. And the spelling word is borrow. I borrow a pencil from my friend. All right, the next one. To come or go after or behind somebody or something. By looking at the picture there, what do you think your spelling word is? And the answer is follow. All right, next one. A square or rectangular piece of cloth filled with soft material used to rest your head on in bed. What is this spelling word? And the answer is pillow. Right, next one. To pay somebody for something that you have already received or return money that you have borrowed. What is the spelling word? It's a little bit tricky, so think about it carefully. Okay, the spelling word is owes. Next one, somebody or something's form makes on a surface, for example, on the ground, when they are between the light and the surface. All right, if you look at that picture, what do you think the spelling word is? And the answer is shadow. Right, the next one, to send something from your hand through the air by moving your hand or arm quickly. All right, and I would like you to tell me what the past tense of this word is, which is throw. So what is the past tense of throw? Okay, so the past tense of throw is thrown. So those are two spelling words there, throw and thrown. All right, the next one, an opening in the wall or roof of a building, car, usually covered with glass, that allows light and air to come in and people to see out. What is this spelling word? Okay, your answer is window. Right, the next one, having the color of lemons or butter. What is this spelling word? And the answer is yellow. All right, the last one. A woman whose husband has died and she has not married again. What is this spelling word? And that spelling word is widow. All right, grade threes, don't forget to keep practicing your spelling words every day. Go through the definitions as well so that you know the definition of the word and you know how to spell the word.